Welcome everyone. You're trying to sleep your iPhone Air screen and the iPhone Air won't sleep. It won't turn off no matter what you do. Now the fix is quite simple. All we need to do is start by opening up settings, then scroll all the way down until you see display and brightness. In here, scroll all the way down and the issue is always on display. So tap into this one, turn this one off. That will fix your issue immediately. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. If you did not find this video useful, leave any questions, any concerns in a comment section. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.